Antigravity IDE, the editor that makes other IDEs feel ancient. Today, we're taking a look at Antigravity, a tool built for professional developers and teams who care about productivity and modern workflows. We'll start by walking through how to download, install, and get a first look at the IDE. First, open your browser, go to Google, and search for Antigravity. Open the official website from the first result, then click on Download. Choose the version that matches your system. In my case, I'm downloading Windows x64. Mac users can select the macOS version. Once the download is complete, open the antigravity.exe file. Accept the license agreement, then click Next through the setup steps. You can choose to create a desktop icon if you'd like, then continue and wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, click Finish. You'll be greeted by the Antigravity welcome screen. Click Next, then choose your setup flow, either starting fresh or importing an existing project from Visual Studio Code. After that, select your editor theme. I'm going with the dark theme. Next, you'll choose how you want to use the Antigravity agent. You can select Secure Mode, Agent-Driven Development, Custom Configuration, or Review-Driven Development. The recommended option is Review-Driven Development, as it allows you to review changes before any scripts are executed. So that's the option I'm choosing. Continue by clicking Next, then sign in using your Google account. This is the first look at the Antigravity interface. The layout is divided into two main sections. The first allows you to open and manage an existing project or folder. The second is the Agent panel, where you can choose your conversation mode, such as planning or fast, and select from multiple AI models, including Gemini 3 Pro and more. You also have the option to upload media or workflows and make updates directly within the environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips and insights.